What's up, Tesla fans? I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we have another blue Model Y, but I'm really excited to share with you something that we've never done before to the interior. But before we go inside, let's talk about the exterior. The Model Y is super cool, right? We all love it, the shape, the design, and this is a performance spec Model Y. The way you can tell right off the bat is because you see the red brake calipers. Tesla gives you red brake calipers with the white Tesla letters for the performance brakes on the performance spec Model Y. So this car obviously came with 21-inch wheels from Tesla, but this customer did not particularly care for the style of the Uber turbine wheels. I think they're pretty cool, but there's nothing better than our TS 115 one-piece forged wheels machined at our facilities here in California. Let's talk a little bit about the difference. Tesla's wheels are actually a cast wheel. That's a process of manufacturing that most car makers do. It's more cost effective, they come from molds, and while there's nothing wrong with that, there's nothing better than a one-piece forged wheel. Starting off with a 320-pound lathed piece of aluminum that goes into our CNC machine to meticulously machine the wheel to give it this really cool, very sporty design. After about 6 hours of machining, you now have an ultra lightweight wheel that is lighter than any other style of manufacturing wheels, and also the strongest. One piece forged is the lightest and the strongest way you can go ahead and have wheels on your car. What does this mean for us Tesla fans? Well, if you have a reduction in unsprung weight, you gain performance, speed, and range. So one piece forged is the way to go. Now, enough about that. Let's go inside. Check out this peanut butter interior. We reupholstered the seats in the front, the seats in the back, and the door panel inserts using our peanut butter leather material with our diamond quilted inserts for the seats and the door panels. But what's really special is not only having a peanut butter interior on a blue exterior color car, which I think is a very cool combo, the diamond quilted areas have white stitching, an element, a design element that we have never done before. I think it's really cool. I would love to hear your comments below. What do you guys think about the diamond stitching? Should it have been in a peanut butter color, or do you really like the white stitch? And then also, what do you think about a peanut butter color interior on a blue car? I'd love to hear your comments on that. Now let's talk about audio. Do you like the sound system in your Model Y? Well, this customer actually, it did not meet his needs. And one of the things that we offer at T-Sportline, and we are experts at, is 12-volt audio upgrades. And we know how to do it better than anybody else without causing any harm to the battery system in the car, because we interface with the 12-volt battery and stay within the guidelines of power and amperage that it can handle. So here's what we do. We start off with a hidden EQ processor made by Mosconi. Mosconi is an amazing company, very high-end, and this processor allows us to safely interface into the audio system that's existing in your Tesla. From there, we went ahead and used Focal speakers. They're Flax series speakers. It's a three-way setup. Two 6.5-inch mid-bass drivers in the doors, two 3-inch drivers, and two tweeters. You have a three-way setup right now in your Model Y. We're just upgrading to much higher quality speakers. And then in the rear trunk area, in the cubby, we actually fabricate an enclosure for a Focal 10-inch subwoofer. Now, you have a subwoofer that comes with your Tesla, but it's an 8-inch subwoofer. Now, we upgrade to a 10-inch subwoofer. So the bass response is so much more accurate for all different types of music. Back to amplification. Now, we need to amplify all the speakers in the car. So we went ahead again and used a Mosconi 600-watt amplifier. That's quite a bit more power than what Tesla gives us stock with the car. And in the center console area inside the cubby hole here, we have a subwoofer control knob. So it's really fun. When you want more or less subwoofer experience or bass, you could adjust that independently from all the other speakers in the car. Everything still works on our screens, our Spotify, all different types of media, all that is the same. But the sound system and the output is just so much more improved. So this is the interior that we did. I love the way it came out. And to finish it off really nice and sporty, our matte carbon fiber dash overlay was installed. This car originally had the wood trim, but this customer wanted it to be a little bit sportier, so we installed our carbon fiber dash overlay trim. Carbon fiber, peanut butter leather, diamond white stitching. What an interesting spec. Again, something we've never done before. That's all I got for you today, Tesla fans. Thank you again for watching. Please sign up to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. A lot of videos coming your way soon.